Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We have come to the end of the second day of our great event organized by Brother, organized by Awab's Apparel Private Limited. And we are very grateful to the participants who have been in numbers, especially on the second day. And they have taken their time out, which is more valuable today, to be present at our event on presentation of IoT and barcode systems. We will definitely interact with them, engage with them in the future, and we will be able to coordinate, cooperate, and then provide our services. I'm sure they have convinced themselves. Yesterday's program, the trainees were very much convinced with their various devices displayed, and also were in action. And I'm sure the factories that participated will benefit. And I thank all of them, and I thank the organizers. I thank my staff, Abbas Apparel, their staff, and hotel, everyone in the hotel. They have been, and it has been a delicious food that they have served for lunch, and all were organized properly, and we feel very comfortable to even interact with them in the future. And having said that, finally I have to thank my colleague Takashi Kono-san, who had come all the way from Singapore to be present for this event, and also to continue. And I'm sure he is impressed with the presentations and the numbers. So we are thankful to everyone and the Park 360 for being present both the days and covering our entire event, and not failing even our drivers, our workers who have been here, who have been helpful, our logistics, those who covered everything, and everyone who was directly or indirectly supporting us. We thank them. Thank you very much.
देखते रहिए हमारा चैनल पाक 360, लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।